Hello all and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary, coming to you with a very special video vlog. Very exciting. Now, if you are joining us new, firstly, welcome. Secondly, I just wanted to let you know that to be a part of what's going to happen today, you must be a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button and then join us back here because I'm about to show you what happens on special occasions here at Wild Crochet Designs. Now, it doesn't always happen, but it's going to happen. Well, I want to say today, you've got a whole week to enter. What you're thinking, is it a giveaway? Well, we call them surprises here because we want to get rid of all the nasties, yeah? And we want to keep our gorgeous subscribers here and our new subscribers joining today. This is the time to do it, guys. You have this video. In fact, you have a week to date to enter this surprise. So you have plenty of time, no need to rush. But I'm going to talk to you quickly about the surprise. Some of our regulars would already have entered because they join our lives at 10 a.m. Saturday mornings and 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons, Melbourne, Australia time. Just marry that up with your country. And we were talking about it on last Saturday's live and last Wednesday's live, which is only yesterday. They have already entered, and I'm going to talk to you about them in a moment. But for you who are joining us new for the first time and you would like to know how to enter this surprise and what it's all about, this is the video to watch. And this is the video to enter. You need to leave your details, not your personal details, the answer to the question in the comment section. Don't you love that? In the comment section down below. All right, so let's talk about firstly what it is. Well, you probably noticed by the heading of the video, it's all about choosing yarn, wool, cotton, acrylic, whatever, for our Halloween projects this year. It's very exciting. And you know, guys, I love Halloween, and it's not so much Halloween that I like. I think I like dressing up, but we won't say anything about that, right? Well, excuse me. She loves to dress up, guys, and you know, she's a bit crazy, but my regulars already know that. But anyway, let's talk about what's happening for Halloween this year. We are going to do 3 projects on the channel. We may do a 4th one. Don't quote me on it yet, but we're definitely going to do 3 projects. And how that works this year, and I haven't done this for a while, this I did 2 years ago as well. How that works this year is I run a surprise or slash giveaway, if you will, here on the channel for 3 subscribers. 3 lucky subscribers will get the opportunity to win some yarn with us here at Wild Crochet Designs for Halloween. All right, so let's talk quickly firstly about Halloween and what is happening this year for Halloween. Every year I do something fun for Halloween. In fact, I have left the first 3 links in the description box down below of the last 3 years, 2021, 22, the last 3 years, I have to think about it, the last 3 years of Halloween videos that we have done here on the channel. I've left their links in the description box down below. Now, those links are just fun videos, if you will. What I do is we create a whole lot of items for Halloween. Sometimes we create 1, sometimes we create 3, sometimes we create 5 projects, but it just depends on how big these projects are, yeah? And so what I do is I create them on the channel with you guys, so you guys get to create them as well. But this year I've decided that 3 lucky winners will win the yarn to 3 of the projects. Well, all 3 projects, if you will. They'll only get a chance to enter once. I will cut your name out and pop it in our lucky green hat. And you'll only get the opportunity to enter once. And that is what it's all about. Plus, you must be a subscriber to enter. That's a given, really, yeah? All right, so let's talk about the actual story. What's happening with the story this year? On the actual day of Halloween, yours truly will be doing the story. Now, that's give or take the weather, you know, because I might do the story out of the house this year. What? Where is she going to do this story? I hear you ask. Well, one never knows with me. I'm all over the place. Now, Well, what I wanted to talk about was exactly the actual storyline. I haven't written out completely yet. You know, I don't write it out until I find out the items I'm creating. And I don't know the items I'm creating until you guys get to choose the color combination. Because if you know, I pop the yarn down, a lot of my regulars would know this, and I stare at it and stare at it and stare at it and think, now let me see, what can I create with that? Let's make one of these. And that's how I roll here at Wow Crochet Designs, yeah? All right, so for starters, we're choosing 2 colors. So the storyline itself will have something to do with me changing from one character into another. Now that doesn't mean anything to you yet, and it actually doesn't mean anything to me because I haven't written it yet, but that's where I want it to go this year, yeah? So what I want from you guys, and this is where the fun stuff happens, and I'll read to you some of our other subscribers so you know what you're doing. I need you to choose 2 colors that you would use during Halloween. Now, it doesn't matter if other people have chosen the same colors. You choose your colors, whatever they may be. Now, not only that, you just have to give me your first name, then we choose the colors, and you can do all that in the comment section down below of this video. We'll talk about that in a minute, yeah? Or you could have done it on our last Saturday's live or last Wednesday's live. Now, a lot of my subscribers have already done that, but you haven't missed out because you have a week to date right here from this video to enter. So you can leave your comment in the comment section down below. And let me just tell you what a lot of our subscribers have done. One of our subscribers, Wendy, has chosen orange and pink. Raylene, purple, green. Elisa, black, pink. Crystal, blue, purple / pumpkin, maybe, depends. We're only choosing 2 colors today, so I'll speak to these people about their third color. Lime green / neon green or pink from Claptrap. Just 2 colors, guys. Make sure it's only 2 colors. Purple and black for Jan, navy maroon for Carolyn, orange and purple for Susanna, purple and lemon for Julie, black and silver for Fluffy, purple and orange for Karen, purple and blue for Middle, green and blue. See, the list goes on. Green and blue for Yvonne, lime green and black for Margaret, green and purple for Green, green butterfly, black and white for Jay, black and red for Liz, red and white for Angela, or white and red, pink and green, I just said it the wrong way around, pink and green for Luana, pink and black for Franca, orchid brackets dark pink, that is, and turquoise for Crazy Poppy Lady, green and purple for Sherry with an S, because we've got Cherry with a CH and Sherry with an SH. So these are the color combinations that these particular subscribers have chosen. Now it's time for you to choose. The only reason they chose theirs earlier is because I started talking about it last Saturday's live and last Wednesday's live, which was yesterday. If you are new to the channel, hit subscribe, go down to the comment section down below, choose 2 colors and leave your first name, or actually you just need to choose the 2 colors because your name will come up in the comment section down below, and you will get the opportunity to enter. Now, those 2 colors that you choose, if we're using 2 skeins of each color or 1 skein of each color or 4 skeins of each color, whatever we're doing for that particular project, you will get them all. If we're only using 1 of each color, well, then you'll just get the 1 of each color, yeah? So whatever I use to make the project on the channel with, you will get the same amount, giving you the opportunity to create something with us. Or even if you didn't want to create any Halloween items, you can keep the yarn for yourself as well. On top of winning your yarn, you'll also win one of these. Australia's favourite biscuit. They're called Tim Tams. They're simply divine. Now, you can call them cookies or biscuit, whatever you like. It doesn't matter. You will get this with your winning entry as well. Plus, I like to hand out my little fridge magnets, and so you'll get one of those fridge magnets as well. So there you go. There's a few things to win out of this, and you not only get to win the yarn, the biscuits, the magnets, you also get to make something with your yarn that you win. And you don't even have to do the Halloween gear with us. You can create whatever you want to make with your winning. That's it. So how do you enter our surprise here today? I hear you ask. Super easy. 1, you need to be a subscriber. That's a given, really. all you need to do is write in the comment section down below the 2 different colors of yarn that you would like to see on the channel. You don't have to give me brands of yarn, just give me 2 colors that you would like to see on the channel when we are creating our Halloween projects. It's very exciting. The other thing is you need to enter only once, and the last thing you need to do is enter by the date I'm about to give you. Now the date is, and I'm going to look down on the paperwork because I've forgotten already. It's Friday, the 25th of August by 10 a.m. in the morning. By 4 or 5 in the afternoon that day, I will pop up the winner of this video. I was going to do it on one of our lives, but I've decided not to. I've decided to hold it out until the actual winning video, which will be Friday week, okay? So 10 a.m. Friday morning, the 25th of August. Marry that up with your country, yeah? This is Melbourne, Australia time, and that's the final time you can get in. It's all very exciting. I love doing surprises. Now, if your name does not get called out next Friday, hang in there, because Christmas this year, we are doing the exact same thing. It's very exciting. But anyway, getting back to Halloween, she just doesn't stop. Next week, when I choose your name out of the hat, all 3 names, there will be 3 different projects on the channel. Once I choose your names and I know the colors that you have chosen, I'll be able to start creating in my mind, and I have to create real fast because we are going to make something on the channel for each one of those color combinations chosen, all for Halloween. Now, if I do get time, we'll make the 4th project, but I'm not going to get excited yet. She's not getting excited yet. She's definitely going to make 3 projects. You guys are a part of those projects. You guys get to win something from Wow Crochet Designs because of Halloween. Get way too excited. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for joining us today. Don't forget, you must be a subscriber to win. You must only enter once. You need to give me 2 colors you would like to see during our Halloween projects, and you need to enter by 10 a.m. Friday the 25th of August. Thank you very much for joining us. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet Designs, and good luck all. Ciao for now. Try to be good, yeah? Bye.